443 days ago, the war started in not in Ukraine but in Israel against Hamas, and the war is still going on. Yes, this need to stop. This, yeah, more than a year. I cannot believe this. All those people in Gaza suffering. Christmas time is not a good time for them. All right, back with the puzzles. We have one puzzle left, the binary, because two regular puzzles already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 25th, 2024. And I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper, no additional, so only these 3 regular puzzles. Okay, and this one will be number 9792. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double 1s, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double 1s, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Let me see. Come on. Double 1s, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck here. I cannot believe this. I'm stuck. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm really stuck. We have 1 column completed. That's not a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we will have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Yeah. Yeah. I need to think now. I need to think hard. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. We have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we will have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. 1, 2, here 1, there 1. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Come on. This is taking too long. Double O's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 3. Here can we know? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also. There also. How about here then? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare here. Okay. Yeah. I see the second row and this row. Let me compare. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have 1 here. This should be an O. Double O's. Here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here. Oh there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Need to compare again. Question is, do we need to compare the rows or the columns? Do we have a double 1 here? No. Well, yeah, do we have a double O here? No. Here, double O. No. Well, yeah, here, double O. This is not the same. Double O. Here, double 1. No. Double O. No. Here, double O. I think we need to compare the rows. Here, double 1. No. About this double O here. No. How about here, double 1 here? Here we have a double 1. Oh, okay. No. This is not the same. Almost the same. It's almost the same. Here we have 1. Here we have 1. Here we have 1. No, it's not the same. How about the O's? Here we have an O. Here we have an O. Here we have an O. And here we have an O. I cannot place... well, this O I cannot place here. This will be difficult. Come on. Where's the opening? 101. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and a 1 here. So, oh, and a 1. 1 here. Ay, 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 ay. Well, this one and that one. Let me compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box, empty box. Yeah, so we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. And here we have 4 1s. I cannot place the 5th one there, otherwise we will have 4 O's in a row, in this row, not allowed one row, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double O's here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. In 11 minutes. Well, this one I need more time to solve. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow, last day before the holidays, yes, Christmas. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.